everyone, welcome to Hi-Fi Max Navigation. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the Android GPS navigation for Mercedes Benz C Class, W204, S204, the year 2008 to 2010, the old model. There are two slots here at the sideway. One is SD card slot for music videos GPS. Another one is SIM card for 4G LTE Internet. Anti-reflection screen, 10.25-inch IPS screen. Here are the accessories. This is the installation guide. Installation stripe, screws, power harness, AMI cable, aux cable, GPS antenna, Wi-Fi 4G antenna, and the RCA cable with LVDS connector. LVDS adapter box. So how to connect them? Let me show you. At the back of the Android screen, we have two black cables. One is for USB. You just ignore it because it's NTG 4.0. You don't need to connect USB. Another one is microphone in. Connect with the external microphone for Bluetooth, but microphone is optional. And we connect the power cable. Find out the white connector, connect it to the back of Android screen. And then we find another two ports. One is male port, another one is female port. Disconnect the original power cable from Mercedes Benz CD head unit and connect to this male port. Connect this female port back to the Mercedes Benz CD head unit. And here we have the USB cable. For pen drive, thumb drive, you install these cables to the glove box. And for audio out, you need to find the aux cable. Connect these together and plug this to the aux jack inside your car. If you don't have aux in your car, you have AMI in your car, just connect it to this hole. Connect this to the AMI port in car. And here we have a bunch of wires from the power cable. For rear camera, just connect your backup camera here, video in. And don't forget to connect the power for backup camera, this red wire. If you have the 360 camera, connect the power to the purple wire. And other wires, you don't need to connect them. And how about the LVDS? You need to disconnect the LVDS cable from original Mercedes Benz monitor and connect to this adapter. And then here we have the LVDS out. Connect to this cable. Clip down. Make sure buckle fastened. And this port connect to the back of Android unit here. So how about these cables? If you want to install the digital TV, connect to video in. If you intend to install the DVR, connect this DVR in. And this is for audio channel. That's all for today. And if you are interested in our product, please visit our webshop www.hifimax.net. Thanks for watching.